Hey gang, so I am here with what I think is one of the coolest 1/16 scale tractors pretty much ever made. Now I'm partial to muscle tractors and particularly front wheel assist muscle tractors. I just think they look tough and really cool. But this is the Oliver 2255. This was from Spec. This is a resin tractor, so it's got some girth to it. It's beefy. It's got some weight to it, but it also means it's delicate. So there's that. This was made in 2006, and I'm going to have to read this off here. I've looked at it twice, but I can't remember it. The 2006 HPOCA 16th Annual National Summer Show, August 18th through the 20th at Dover, Ohio. Now, these are serial numbered, and we have number 32. I don't know if that's good or bad or whatever, but it doesn't matter because we're never going to sell the darn thing anyway because it's too dang cool. So let's just take a closer look at this. So 1/16 scale, like I said, so it's kind of big and beefy. Check out these weights out front. Holy cow, those are that's a serious weight stack out there. At first I thought it looked goofy, but we've had this tractor since it came out way back in 2006. I think it looks cool now though. I think that's super cool. Like I said, love the front wheel assist. Check this out. So you get all the front wheel assist detail. I mean, that's incredible, I think. In this, this day and age, especially think at 2006, but anyway, there's all of that. While we got this up in the air, just check out all the, it's not super detailed under here, but it's nicely detailed. I mean, we'll take what we get, right? So anyway, front wheel assist. Let me straighten up the camera. Nice big muffler here, like kind of barrel style, like that. And I think it might, it's kind of wiggly. And then check out the cleaner. That's a really nice detailed air cleaner there. I think that's super cool. Over here, again, just great detail. There's like a screen here. You can actually feel the mesh. This is a cat motor. So, that's kind of what's special about this. You can see the alternator. You've got the fan in there. I can see all sorts of hoses and things of that nature. We've got a toolbox here. This is really dusty because it's been sitting on the shelf since 2006. Kind of got a grab handle here. Now, this is cast in. Let me show you that. So, that's, I think if this weren't a resin tractor, they would probably have a separate part that would go in there, but that's cast in, that's fine. There's some compromises there. The shielding is super cool, I think. And then I absolutely love the wheel and tire combo here. Just excellent detail, great choice as far as wheel and tires go. You can see those planetaries look super cool, bolt patterns everywhere. You've even got valve stems there. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. How about, there we go. Valve stem there. I mean, come on. That thing is just cool. Over here, you can see the batteries. So that's cool. Just above the step there. Let's see if we can't get this around here, the back side. 3-point hitch. Now, it's stationary because this is a resin tractor, but still, technically not a 3-point, right? 2-point hitch. Drawbar. PTO shaft is back here. Let's bring you in closer. And let's just pop that up so you can see all that detail in there. And then also check out kind of your driver station detail. All sorts of knobs and levers. And I'm not even going to pretend to know what most of those do because I don't. Never driven an Oliver 2255. Would love to, but never have. Then, I mean, check out, even kind of like the simulated, I think that's a simulated wood dash is what that's supposed to be because it's cool. It's got some texture to it. I mean, all those gauges, the steering wheel, pedals, your shifter lever, all that stuff is here. So fuel tanks, obviously, on the fenders on this. So there's your fill up there and there. So that's super cool, too. I always loved that fender fuel tank look. I just thought that was awesome. And then let's kind of bring you in, So, all right, let's say we're lucky enough we're driving a real one of these things. Well, there you go. That's kind of your view. Right? There's your steering wheel. You can see, you got a pretty decent sight line there past the muffler and cleaner, really, with them being offset. And then, of course, you can see your, if you're doing anything sort of row croppy, you can see your wheels very well. So, anyway, got work lights back here. Those are nice. Those look great, too. Nice silver on black. And then you got others here. So you can just see the silver from the back, but if you turn it around here, you've got black housing, and then you've got your flashers as well there. And work lights here, grab handle here. I don't know if you can see that. It's of course cast in, but it's got a relief to it, and it's painted. so it looks cool. And then nice grill up front, great logo in there, and then this has even got some texture. It's kind of hard to see here on camera, but the grill back here has some texture, and of course we got our work lights up there. So anyway, I know that's kind of a short and dirty quick of it, but anyway, that's why I think this is one of the coolest 16th tractors. Like I said, I'm partial to muscle tractors, and of course four-wheel drives, but this thing's just dang cool, I think. Anyway, alright guys, well, that'll do it for this one. If you liked it, please give it the like, share, subscribe treatment. We would appreciate that. Trying to grow this channel quite a bit this winter if I can, so we'd really appreciate that. And we're going to, of course we've got farm toy display building stuff going on. We're going to still do the real farming stuff. We're still going to do the toys stuff, 1/64, 32nd, 16 scale, whatever we can get our hands on. That's what we're going to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Treat each other well. Have a great day. Happy tractor hunting.